Everyone, Joe Summons, your renovating realtor here, back for one last update on the master bathroom renovation. It's finished. Couldn't be happier with it. One thing I've been looking forward to this whole project was seeing the look on Lynette's face when she came home and checked it out. I don't know, you tell me, you be the judge. You tell me if she liked it or not.
Oh my gosh, look at how cool. Oh, that is bright. So pretty. Oh, this is like after. There's a mirror. Look how tall. It's so tall, we don't have to bend over so much anymore. Oh, it's so cool. Storage! More soft clothes. More storage. More soft clothes. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh, you're standing where I want to see it. I want to see the closet. Oh my gosh, look at all of that storage. Oh my goodness. They're so deep. Oh. Wow. Great job. You did amazing. Oh, this looks so good. You know, why did you do that shut face?
We used to shower in there.
Oh, that is where we used to shower. And look, like, I mean, barely fit this way now, even smaller. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, and then
the shower.
oh, we had this already, so.
Looking forward to using that thing again.
I know, yeah, using the guest bath was fairly rough. You'd be shocked, people. It was, I'm used to showering in like a small bedroom.
Look how tall this is. Oh,
Yeah.
it's so much better.
Me bending over all the time was,
Better.
I know it seems like not much to some people, but
It's so high. Like, this is even high, so we're not even like dipping underneath this up.
that won't go in.
I love the colors. I love the colors. I love the lights. So much light. We've got a kick-ass bathroom, man.
Well, that's it. I know there's another project down the road. Not sure which one it's going to be. But you know I'm going to have something. Special thanks to my dad and my brother Marty. They helped me out down the final stretch. My dad with the closets. Marty helped me up install the light fixtures. I could have done it. I was tired, and Marty showed me a few things anyway, so very appreciative of them coming out and helping me out. Yeah, so like I said, there'll be another project down the road. Not sure what it'll be, but you know me, I'll keep you all abreast on social media. Hope you guys enjoyed the project as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Yeah, until the next time, this is your renovating realtor, Joe Summons.